Welcome to our channel. Managing your privacy settings on Grubhub helps protect your personal information and controls what data the platform can access or share. Follow these steps to adjust your privacy preferences. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the account icon or menu in the top left or bottom right corner, depending on your app version. Step 3. Select Settings or Account Settings from the menu options. Step 4. Look for Privacy or Privacy Settings in the Account Settings menu. Step 5. Review location permissions and decide whether to allow Grubhub to access your location always, only while using the app, or never. Step 6. Manage email and notification preferences by selecting which types of communications you want to receive from Grubhub. Step 7. Control data sharing by reviewing options for sharing your information with third parties or for marketing purposes. Step 8. Save your changes by tapping Done or Save to ensure your new privacy settings are applied to your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.